Welcome to Bethlehem's Got Talent.
Now you see it. Now you don't.
That's incredible. How'd you do that?
I might be talented at doing tricks, but the people at Fresh Pet, located in the heart of Bethlehem, have talent in making delicious food for pets. Fresh Pet is the first of its kind, manufacturing fresh food for dogs and cats because after all, we deserve tasty, nutritious food too.
For decades, dogs have been eating really unhealthy food. It's not great. It's not great for them, so we're given an opportunity to nourish the pets in a way that is really meaningful.
Fresh Pet puts every effort into the quality of food so that its superior product is evident. Using a process that is unique and innovative to cook food, they make sure every morsel has the perfect amount of ingredients.
Quality is almost everything here at Fresh Pet because we want to ensure that the best quality goes out to the pet parents for their pets. We feed it to our animals also.
Since quality is so important to them, they even have a team dedicated to making sure all the product looks and smells delicious for us pets.
You're just double checking everything is good in it. There's no excess liquid. Make sure everything's evenly distributed. Same thing as the recipe sheets. Make sure it looks like that.
The food is delicious and easily digested.
We gently cook our product and use really premium ingredients compared to other pet food manufacturers so that the product is way more digestible and way more nutritious for the pet.
People absolutely love the team atmosphere and thrive in the workplace, putting their talents and skills at work.
The great thing about working at Fresh Pet is the work environment. The people here are happy, we work with each other, and we all want the same goal of getting good pet food out for our pets.
The talented people of Fresh Pet have come from all around, even right here in Bethlehem.
I've done everything through Bethlehem School District, Bethlehem Built, and I really encourage everybody to look at going through these programs that we have here in the Bethlehem School District.
Fresh Pet is talented in making pet food taste amazing and is the best choice when it comes to treating pets like family. And that's what's so cool about Fresh Pet's manufacturing.